Welcome to the 7-day itinerary. If you enjoy travel guides and adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Today, we're diving into a 7-day journey to Guangzhou, China. Get ready for an unforgettable experience packed with delicious cuisine, fascinating excursions, and enriching cultural discoveries. Day 1. Arrival in Guangzhou. Upon arrival, settle into your accommodation and get acquainted with the vibrant city. For dinner, indulge in authentic Cantonese cuisine at Yue Heen, known for its exquisite dim sum and seafood delicacies. Day 2. Explore the city. Kick off your exploration with a visit to the Guangdong Museum. Dive into the rich history and culture of the region through its impressive collection of artifacts. Afterwards, embark on a city tour with Guangzhou Tours Co, offering insightful guides and comfortable transportation. For lunch, savor the flavors of local street food at Shangxiajiu Pedestrian Street. Sample everything from steamed buns to roasted meats as you stroll through this bustling marketplace. In the evening, treat yourself to a traditional Cantonese opera performance at Guangzhou Opera House. Day 3. Cultural immersion. Immerse yourself in the traditions of Guangzhou by starting your day with a visit to the Chen Clan Ancestral Hall. Marvel at its intricate architecture and intricate craftsmanship. Later, join a calligraphy workshop to learn the art of Chinese writing. For lunch, head to Lianxianglu for an authentic taste of Hakka cuisine. Afterwards, explore the Guangzhou Sculpture Park, showcasing contemporary artworks amid lush greenery. Day 4. Nature and relaxation. Escape the urban hustle and bustle with a day trip to Guangzhou Hot Springs. Unwind in the rejuvenating thermal waters surrounded by picturesque scenery. Treat yourself to a spa treatment for the ultimate relaxation experience. Day 5. Iconic landmarks. Discover Guangzhou's iconic landmarks, starting with a visit to the Canton Tower. Ascend to the observation deck for panoramic views of the cityscape below. Next, explore the historic Shamian Island, known for its colonial architecture and tranquil atmosphere. For dinner, dine at Depinghuo, a hidden gem serving authentic Cantonese dishes with a modern twist. End the day with a leisurely stroll along the Pearl River waterfront. Day 6. Shopping and cuisine. Spend your penultimate day indulging in shopping and gastronomic delights. Explore the bustling markets of Beijing Road for everything from souvenirs to designer goods. Treat your taste buds to a gourmet meal at Dalianhua, renowned for its innovative Cantonese fusion cuisine. Day 7. Farewell Guangzhou. On your final day, take one last stroll through the city streets, soaking in the sights and sounds of Guangzhou. Visit the Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall, a tribute to the founding father of modern China, before bidding farewell to this dynamic city. The 7 most popular things to do in Guangzhou. 1. Explore the Canton Tower and enjoy breathtaking views of the city. 2. Sample authentic Cantonese cuisine at renowned restaurants like Yue Heen and Depinghuo. 3. Immerse yourself in the rich culture and history of Guangzhou at the Guangdong Museum and Chen Clan Ancestral Hall. 4. Take a relaxing day trip to Guangzhou Hot Springs for rejuvenation. 5. Wander through the vibrant markets of Beijing Road and Shangxiajiu Pedestrian Street. 6. Experience the arts with a visit to the Guangzhou Opera House and Cantonese opera performances. 7. Discover the beauty of Shamian Island and the tranquility of the Pearl River waterfront. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in Guangzhou. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels. Disclaimer: I have not been paid by any company mentioned in this itinerary.